Panoorin natin 'to, ewan ko kung napanood niyo na 'to. Excuse. Ganito sa RX 931. Hindi ko alam kung bago 'to, pero panoorin natin, Simulan na natin.
The Deep Dish with Aubrey.
Okay ba yung audio natin dito sa video? Hindi yung boses ko, yung
RX 93.1 and we're live.
press 1 kung okay yung
Sounded
audio
just like
nila.
Chico at that point. But yes, we are live again on TikTok, but we're also live on YouTube. We're live on Facebook. This is big, you guys. Okay.
Parang hindi bagay yung boses niya sa itsura niya, no? Etong DJ, kung ano. Parang ang layo, no? Parang mature yung boses niya.
As promised, we got big names here. Again, it's the Deep Dish with Aubrey. You do have me all the way till 2 in the
Napanood niyo na
afternoon.
kaya to?
It is
Sa inyo dyan, kung
anniversary
napanood niyo na.
month, so we're bringing in the big guns. We're bringing in the huge guests. And as with everything, well, today is no exception, you guys. They are coming in hot. They made their hot debut this year a couple of months ago with Tabi. And now, Fresh Crew, yeah, we setting up the face. Oh my goodness. The vibes are high here in the station. Let's bring them in. Let's bring them in. The moment y'all have been waiting for. Sanara!
Hey!
Hey girlies, oh my gosh, so happy to have you guys here. How about you say hello to all of our monsters tuned in?
Monster IX. Ano,
Y'all are so
radio
cute,
station
oh
yan,
my
ano?
gosh. Okay, so now before we begin the interview,
Daming trophy, no? Ano kayang trophy yan? Best radio station ba yan?
can we
Dami
have
trophy.
a quick round of introductions, maybe solo introductions. Oh, hold on. There is something going on with the mic. Let's try that again. Okay, nope, the mic isn't miking. Let's try this one more
mic isn't
time before
miking.
we call in tech. Let's try it again.
Nosebleed pala to.
Ayaw
English,
talaga.
walang
Let's call in
caption.
tech first and foremost. What is going on with our mics? But yes, ladies and gentlemen, Sanara is here live in studio. Can we get one more quick mic check? Just a quick mic check first. Testing.
Test
Okay.
mic, 1, 2, 1, 2.
We're kind of getting you. Hello. Hello. Oh dear. Okay, check. Oh, some of the mics are working though.
Check.
Okay, your mic's working. Check. Ano talaga to eh? Alam niyo yung
Yun,
game na parang
nagtagalog din.
paswertehan na lang kung sino makakuha ng mic.
Russian roulette.
Ganon, exactly. Russian roulette, swertehan na lang. Sige, maybe in the meantime, maybe if it's alright, we can maybe just pass along the mics while tech works out the whole mic situation then? Alright?
Parang grounded yung mic nila, no?
Alright, let's
Naririnig
go,
ko yung
let's
ano.
Hi guys,
Mga
I'm
ganun.
Lay. Hello, I'm Nami.
Mami.
Hi monsters, I'm Ella.
Grabe yung mga boses sila, no? Ang lalambing ng boses,
What's up, I'm Tin. Hi, I am Dominic.
Doming.
Hey, I'm Megami.
Mami.
Hello, I'm Yurika, and we are
Oh
Sanara!
my gosh, we love it. These girlies came in here, burst in with energy. We are just so excited to have you guys here. Welcome to the Monsters. Welcome.
Thank you so
And
much.
thank you all so much for taking the time to be here. We know it's very early, but we got a lot to talk about. First and foremost, you guys made your breakout debut with Tabi, and now you're back with your comeback. You've made a splash in the music scene a couple of months
Teka lang, gusto ko lang malaman kung bago ba to. Lumabas na to sa FYP ko 16 hours ago. Makikita niyo ba? Like natin. 16 hours ago lang, so bago-bago lang siya. No? Bago-bago lang siya.
months ago. How does it feel now that you're a couple months in the music industry?
Mhm.
It's a free-for-all, so anyone who wants to answer, go on.
Actually, ngayon po,
Mm.
parang 3 months pa lang pero sobrang blessed.
Grabe, 3 months pa lang pala.
Makatanggap po ng grabing love.
Yun, nawala yung grounded. Buti
people,
naman.
From our friends and families. And syempre po, sobrang grateful po namin kasi answered prayer po talaga tong Sanara for us. And yeah, and actually, kahit 3 months pa lang po kami, feeling namin 1 year na. Yung mga nangyayari kasi,
Parang ang daming, like,
Opo.
parang you guys are always in the headlines. You guys are like here and there. You're everywhere, which is amazing.
Teka lang meron lang akong bilang pumasok sa isip ko. Sa mga nandito pa sa 4,000 live viewers natin. Ako lang ba yung nakakaramdam? Bakit hanggang ngayon? O tipong mainipin lang ako? Bakit bakit wala pang salubong or recognition sa Malacanang ang SB19? May nabanggit na ba yung 1Z o yung SB na hindi ako updated eh. 'Di ba? Alam ko nasa Pilipinas na sila, 'di ba? Yung SB. Bakit wala pa silang hindi pa sila pinapatawag sa Malacanang? No, na sa akin sobrang magagalit talaga ako pag hindi sila hindi sila na-recognize sa Malacanang, no? Kasi malaking karangalan yung ginawa ng SB19, 'di ba? Sa Pilipinas. Kasi ayoko na lang banggitin yung isang grupo, 'di ba? Sila pinatawag sila sa Malacanang, 'di ba, pag-uwi nila eh. Hindi ko lang alam kung naiinip lang ako o talagang naka-schedule 'yan, no? Kayo ba, ano bang palagay niyo? May balita ba kayo? Yun lang naman yung sa'kin. Kasi sa'kin sana talaga ay ano sila, ipatawag sila sa Malacanang, i bigyan sila ng recognition yung SB19. Kasi yung isang grupo, 'di ba, gano'n ginawa eh, 'di ba? Ni-recognize binigyan ng recognition sa Malacanang eh. Parang para sa'kin bilang 18 tayo, sobrang unfair para sa akin 'yun, 'no? Para sa'kin sa opinyon ko. Sobrang unfair 'yun kung hindi sila bibigyan ng recognition sa Malacanang. Yun lang naman.
And right now po, nandito kami sa Monster. So parang grabing happiness po yung nararamdaman po namin yun. And hindi po enough yung sinasabi ko ngayon. Pero gusto lang po namin sabihin sa lahat na thank you so much po sa pag-support po sa amin palagi and sa tiwala po. Thank you so much.
Well, I'm pretty sure your fans are wanting to thank you guys as well. Kasi your music has brought a lot of joy. And this is not me glazing. Again, as you guys know, we don't really do glazing in here. Every time we play your tracks, the vibe just goes up. Sana alam nyo yan, grabe, the effect that your tracks have. So I'm pretty sure, like, they love you so much. I cannot believe it's been 3 months pa lang.
Kaya nga, 3 months pa lang pala yun.
Kami rin po. Kami rin po.
What do you mean? Now, we have to talk about your latest release. Now, you're back with Pula.
Pula.
Please tell us a little bit more about it. To be fair, we have been playing it a lot here in the station. But for any of us who wants to get a little bit more insight from the artists themselves, please tell us a little bit more about Pula.
I'll start po. And then Nicole can
Go on.
add.
Go.
Actually po yung Pula, medyo iba po talaga siya sa Tabi. Like sound-wise. Si Tabi po kasi more on the hip-hop side with R&B. Pero si Pula po kasi R&B po talaga siya. So, sa Pula po, mas finocus po namin yung vocals, mas showcase po namin yung vocals namin. And then sa mood, gusto lang po namin yung chill lang na kapag magdadrive kami, patugtugin natin yung Pula. So, masarap lang po siya
Ano yan? Jennifer Dizon. Oo, waiting din ako dyan. Pero sana mayroon, pero kung wala, okay lang din. Kaya naman ng 18 i-promote ang SB19. Hehe. Sa akin hindi. Hindi okay sa akin 'yun, 'di ba? Parang unfair 'yun para sa akin Unfair 'yun. Hindi naman yung promotion Hindi naman promotion yung inaano ko doon Yung recognition. Recognition ng Pilipinas, 'di ba? Recognition ng Pilipinas. 'Di ba? Na i-recognize sila na isa sila sa sobrang gumiba ng pinto, 'di ba? Para makapasok sa international scene, 'di ba? Ang SB19. Kasi yung isang grupo, 'di ba? Alam niyo naman yung sa Coachella, 'di ba? Ni-recognize sila, binigyan sila ng recognition sa Malacanang. Kaya sa akin yung opinion ko as 18, as Pilipino, 'di ba? Hindi pupuwede sa akin 'yun. Hindi uubra sa akin 'yun na hindi sila ire-recognize o bibigyan ng recognition sa Malacanang. Sobrang unfair nun para sa akin. Totoo 'yun, yung sinasabi ni Jennifer na hindi natin kailangan sila Tayo lang mga 18 kung sa promotion, 'di ba? Tayo na 'yan Given na 'yun Pero yung sa akin kasi yun yung recognition bilang Pilipino, purong Pilipino, 'di ba? Na nag-perform sa Lollapalooza. Ano 'yun kumbaga record breaking 'yun kumbaga first time nangyari 'yun. 'Di ba? Na may pure Pinoy act na nag-perform sa Lollapalooza sa international stage na 'yon. Kaya sa akin kung hindi sila mare-recognize o bibigyan ng recognition sa Malacanang, sa akin talaga 'yun, sa akin 'yun. DC Delmo kinanta pala ni Pablo yung Pula. Nakita ko kanina sa live ni Casual Talk. Talaga? Pinanood namin dun. Wow, ayos, full version 'yan?
siya pakinggan. Pero at the same time, yung message din po na gusto naming iparating sa Pula is yung friendship, yung camaraderie, yung bond po na nabuo namin before nung training pa po kami up until naging Sonara po kami. So, yun po, parang sinabi ko rin po ito sa isang pit stop po namin na sana kapag narinig po ng Pula yung mga tao, may naaalala silang someone na maramdaman po nila yung comfort dun sa tao na yun. Kasi Pula po for me is these girls. Sila po yung comfort ko. So, ayun po.
Ay, totoo yan
That's sweet. Okay, just before we move on, does anyone want to add on to that? Feel free. This is a free for all. Okay.
Second demotion.
I second the motion. And we close the elections. Dito na yun. But yeah, that's really cool. And I'm not so sure if you guys could I'm pretty sure you guys could fully feel it.
Hindi ko alam kung ano ba to, live stream lang ba to, ginawa nila, o nasa set din sila. Bakit ganito yung video, no? Hindi pa nila binuo, o siguro malayo siguro tong studio nitong itong host sa kanila. Kasi 'di ba, parang live lang no, yung parang ano lang, magkaibang lugar sila na ano. Pero monster din 'to, 'di ba? Ayoko
From how we are right now, again, we are live on Facebook, on YouTube, if you want to see us. These girls are emanating a really strong sense of sisterhood, despite, again, being 3 months in the industry. How long, if you don't mind me asking, gaano katagal ba kayo nag-train before you guys, got into the scene?
Almost 2 years back.
2 years, grabe.
So it's been this lineup for 2 years. Ish. Okay, let's just leave it at that. What's important is you guys are here. What's important is you guys are, coming back. And it's also very interesting yung na-mention nyo. Oo nga, kasi from Tabi kasi, it's a very strong introduction, right? Like you mentioned, hip-hop, it's very, we're here. And when you guys listen to Pula, I'm not so sure if you guys have noticed it, there's a certain sound din kasi. There's a certain
Masyadong malakas yung background music niya no. Hindi marunong magtimpla yung yung engineer nila rito, sobrang lakas.
sound that makes people know, Sonara pa rin to. Sonara pa rin yung nag-ano ng kantang to. So, we're gonna get back into that in just a bit. But before that, I have been meaning to ask, also, you mentioned yung Pula Pit Stop, which has been making the rounds. I do believe we also have some friends here from the office dito sa Monster na pumunta din. Dumalo din sila sa Pula Pit Stop. We actually have pictures as well if you guys want to check it out. So I'm very curious, no? Parang may car road trip motif na mention mo na din kanina, a road trip motif and whatnot.
Jennifer Dizon, baka mayroon, pero sa tingin ko baka walang time ang SB kasi sobrang busy nila ngayon. Daming ganap ng mga ninang sunod-sunod, baka full. Maaari, no? Pero sana, sana talagang igigit ko yan. Kailangan meron silang recognition sa Malacanang. Sana nga.
What's that about? Why the road trip motif, and how does that tie up with Pula?
Actually, the car, it's a metaphor.
Okay.
Yes, of many things, but I can say that it's one thing na it's a metaphor of our bond. Everything that we work together with, parang, syempre, you can see, especially in the music video, that we rebuild, we clean the car. It's a representation of our process in the journey of becoming Sonara. That it was definitely not an easy one.
Parang sinabi ko rin yan sa reaction ko, no? Parang hawig yung pagkaka-explain ko doon. Yung pagkakaintindi ko sa music video. Parang ganun din yata yung sinabi ko. Hindi ko lang maatandaan na yung totally na sinabi ko doon sa reaction ko.
It took a lot of trial and errors for us to finally rev up and skirt.
Just go!
Yeah, to rev up and go because it was a bumpy road, really.
Tama.
Hindi talaga madali yung naging
Tama.
training namin. And it was in Pula that we poured that vulnerability of the journey that we had, and it humanizes po what we went through. Because in Tabi, we were okay, this is what we went through, but we're good, we're great, we're here. But in Pula, we talk more about what it took and like the fuel that came from us to be able to push through those challenges, and of course together, how we battled that together as Sonara. And
So it was a lot of trials and tribulations, but you guys made it through, and now it's like cruising for you guys. Y'all are
Aw,
just
thank
cruising. Y'all are just, let's get this. And again, what's important, you guys are together throughout this entire process. Y'all are just, it's sisterhood here, y'all. It's sisterhood. Now, another thing that I'm curious about, right? Pula. So, to our international listeners, pula is the color red. That's the color red in Tagalog, and it means a lot of things. It can mean love. It can mean confidence. Paminsan nga, it could mean anger. Paminsan it
Courage.
could mean a warning sign, traffic signs and whatnot. So when people listen to pula, you guys mentioned comfort. I kind of want to know a little bit more about that. Like, what kind of shade is that comforting shade of pula to you guys? Ano bang ibig sabihin ng pula sa Sonara? Feel free to I know it's a bit of a deep question, Parang napunta tayo sa kulay.
Actually, it goes like way back to our creative process, like when we were ideating the concept of our group.
Yeah.
Actually, Sonara's color, if you can see, it's red, right?
Oh yeah, right.
So it's like it's very deep rooted for us when we were choosing the color of the shade. It was all very intentional.
So, ibig sabihin lang yan, no? Yung sa sinasabi ni, ni Ella na yan. Talagang binigyan sila ng creative freedom ng onesie. No? Palakpakan natin yung onesie. Binigyan sila ng creative freedom. Talagang hindi lang sa lyrics, di ba? Hindi lang sa pati doon sa mismong, kumbaga yung color motif talaga nila ng Sonara. Pula. Sa kanila pala talaga galing yun.
We wanted it to be red enough to capture someone's attention, but not too red where they would be like scared off.
Oh,
you know?
whoa.
Like, whoa, it's red. It's like, oh, it's red. And
Oh, it's like, whoa, it's red. Oh, it's red.
because there's so much like how we see red in Sonara. It's love, it's femininity, and it's a strength. It's power. It's
Tama.
something that
Strength.
represents each side of us, because we can be all of those things and still like girls, still women. We can be strong and powerful, but there's also strength in knowing who you are, like being feminine, being soft. There's strength in being palaban, and I think that red for us is like almost an acceptance of everyone. How everyone can be represented differently, because red is a very diverse shade.
It is.
It can be used anywhere. Like, again, like it could be used to say stop, or it could be used to get your attention. It could be used for love. It could be a warning too. So it's how you interpret it. And also the X in Sonara, it's actually like we got it from math. Like, right, in math, X can be any number. Yeah, so we wanted to integrate that into our name, and the X in Sonara means anyone. So anyone can be Sonara. So here in our group, like when we make music and when we do interviews and performance, we want people.
Grabe na, ang dami palang meaning ng Sonara nila, no? Yung X may, kahit daw sino pwede maging Sonara, parang X the person, gano'n, di ba? Parang, tas yung tandang Sora, di ba? May gano'n. Ang daming ibig sabihin.
To know that we're just like everyone. We're human, and there's a place for everyone in Sonara.
Oh, that's beautiful, y'all. That's beautiful. X could mean like, it could be diverse, but it could also be powerful. A lot of the listeners, whenever again we would play your tracks, very powerful din kasi ang vibes eh.
Actually, parang may kamukha tong DJ na to. Parang yung reactor din siya na babae, no? Na huminto yun eh. Nakalimutan ko na. Basta ang nire-react niya rin yung mga rap din, mga Tagalog rap. Like, hawig niya lang, pero hindi ko sure kung siya yun. Magaling din siya, magaling din yung reactor na yun dati. Nakalimutan ko na yung pangalan.
So I think y'all hit the nail on that one. Achieve yan. Speaking of colors, right? I wonder, because again, right now, the main aura, if you will. And I think this is also kind of mentioned in the song. Your aura is kind of like red as a group, right? So I wonder, if we were to run down the line real quick, look at your member to the right. I want you to give a color that describes their aura the best. Or siguro kahit yung parang paganon. Yeah, paganon yung ikot. Wait lang, where's your, okay, right is here, so pag ganito ang ikot, there. So if you were to give or to follow, not follow, if you were to assign, kumbaga, a color to the member on your right, anong kulay ng aura niya? Ganon, basically.
Aura.
Yes. I think, Tin, you could, yung kay Ella, tapos yung kay Lay could go to, wait, nga pala, nga, no, paano yun? Wait, hindi ko napag-isipan yun. Sige, ganun na lang, sige, go. Round robin na lang tayo. Okay. Maybe we could start from Lay.
I think yung color na nag-represent kay Nami is, ano ba? Pink. Kasi I know it's her favorite color and minsan talaga hindi mo alam na anong gagawin niya and minsan tahimik siya and minsan tumatalon siya. So very, very...
Unpredictable.
Yeah, so very, talaga siya, like very bubbly.
Yeah.
Ako napansin ko dito kay Nami. Ano siya sweet yung dating niya, sweet siya, di ba? Sweet, parang sobrang feminine. Pero pag sumayaw, alam mo yung kaldag nila sa yung stomp nilang ganun sa tabi, yung ganun niya. Siya yung napansin kong talagang gigil sumayaw. Halimaw to si Nami pag sumasayaw. Di ba? Tapos taas din ang boses niya.
Actually, parang nga po yung mga each color po namin, mga favorite color rin po namin.
Talaga?
Diba? Opo, yung mga personality po namin halos. So, kay Ate Ella, white.
White. Sige, bakit white? Apart from
Yeah.
favorite color?
Parang, kapag tinignan niyo po kasi siya, parang siyang, yung ganun pong feeling, parang, parang siya.
Parang ang pure kasi ni Ella. Ano siya parang sa akin para sa sa opinion ka, parang siya yung pinakamainhin. Pinakamainhin saka yung sobrang lumanay niya magsalita tong si Ella. Yun din napansin ko sa kanya. Kaya bagay yung white.
May choir sa
Opo! Yes! Yes,
May
ganun.
pahilo.
Yung parang ang dating parang ang bait-bait, parang anghel na, parang ganun si Ella.
Perfect.
Okay, for Ate Tin, I would say also her favorite color, which is blue, because like it can be very fun.
Parang parang si Ella, parang yung mga tipong yung dating niya, parang nepo baby, yung tipong yung mga yung talagang mayaman yung dating, yung tipong socialite, yung tipong ganun.
But also very like calm. So I feel like that represents Ate Tin very well. She's our ate, so she knows how to like
Ayun, yung word na gusto kong sabihin, konyo. Parang konyo si Ella yung dating niya.
when we're like panicking, she knows how to be like, okay, it's okay. Like we'll be okay. And at the same time, she can also be like fun and makulit even when you're
Makulit.
panicking. She'll be like, oh, titi. So I think it's very like it represents her very well. Her calm side, her very caring
Tama, Jennifer.
and
Yayamanin
sweet
yung
side,
dating.
as well as her
Konyo.
like fun and energetic side.
Oh, so you're the anchor. Tin is like the anchor, I feel. Tama ba? Real ba? That's what I'm getting. That's what I'm getting. Oh. All right, Tin. It's your turn now.
For Dom, actually ever since Dom will always
Parang pinalaki ng ano ba yung sa YouTube yung nagtuturo si teacher basta yung English speaking na basta ganun yung dating ni Ella.
be red.
Oh, wow!
Konyo.
Sige, bakit red?
I see Dom as palaban Like she has that very
Mhm.
strong feminine energy and that's why I think she's color red.
Her.
Yoo-hoo. Okay. For Megumi, I think yellow or to golden.
Super Saiyan.
Because Megumi is parang very bright siya when you look at her, when the way she talks, the way she communicates with other people. It actually lifts up the spirit of a person. And as Sonara po, pag siya nagsalita, parang, oh, so cute.
Actually hindi pa ako lang ba ang hindi nakakaalam o alam kong hindi pa nila ina-announce kung sinong leader? Pero marami nag-initiate o nag-assume na si Eureka, 'di ba, yung leader. Pero actually wala pa yata talagang totally official announcement, 'di ba, kung sino yung leader sa kanila. Pero marami nagsasabi si Eureka daw, 'di ba?
So yeah, Megumi for yellow to gold. Yeah.
Yellow
I
to
love that it's specific. It's not just yellow. It's like it has to be the yellow that's close to gold.
Yeah.
Exactly. Exactly.
With a little sparkles.
Okay, for Ate Yura, I will say green. Like green for me, I don't really hear a lot of people say their favorite color is green, if I'm not mistaken. But
Color ni Buja yung green.
for me, I view the color green unique, just like Ate Yura. She's unique. She's
Ako ang favorite color ko talaga ever since blue. Pero hindi ako madalang ako mag-blue damit. Laging red, black, gano'n. Pero gusto kong kulay talaga blue.
weird in a good way, in a great way.
Parang nakangiti na siya, tapos sinabi mong weird, parang,
No, she likes being called dears. Yes, I can affirm. But yeah, like parang for me, I don't see green masyadong conventional, and I
Ano daw? Jennifer, may ganap pa na SB sa NBA House Philippines. Kakanta sila ng live. Oh, talaga? Kailan yan? Sa NBA? So babiyahe ulit sila ng Amerika? O ano ba yung NBA Philippines? Sa Pilipinas gaganapin? Meron na bang NBA sa Pilipinas? O parang show lang yun? Hindi ko kasi alam eh. Wala akong knowledge yan eh. Pero yun nga. Magpe-perform na pala sila. 8:29. Bukas. No? Bukas yan siguro, no? August 29. Tama ba? Kasi iba-iba tayo ng, ano yun, di ba, ng time zone. Kung kay Miss Lynn GR, kasi ano pa lang sa inyo yata, 28, di ba? Tama ba? 27 pala sa inyo yata? Sa Amerika? Well, pero nga, magpe-perform pala ang SB sa NBA. Wow, nice ah. Busy-busy ang boys.
I think that's a great way to see Ate Yura. She's unique.
green
A
is one of a
standout.
kind, huh?
Yes,
Like, you're
she
right.
is one of a kind.
You don't hear a lot of people go, oh yeah, green yung default. But like, green is an if you know, and if you get it, you get it.
She gets it.
Yes, green.
Thank you so
Mael pag green. Mael.
Okay, ako naman po for Lay, sa akin po siguro dark violet.
Dark violet.
Kasi po nakikita ko si Lay as very fierce na babae. Like, pag unang kita mo sa kanya, pakita mo. Ay! Aside from favorite color
So para siya si Barney.
niya rin po is violet, tama ba? Purple and violet. Feeling ko,
Hindi, purple pala si Barney.
feeling ko mas suit sa kanya yung dark violet.
Uh-huh.
She is that girl.
She is that girl. And honestly, she also gives very regal vibes in. Diba? You know what they say, if you are history buffs, you know that purple is the color of aristocracy. Parang very royalty kapag ka-purple.
Miss Lynn GR, anong oras na sa inyo ngayon? Kasi alam ko, di ba, pagka, tama ba? Pag sa Asia, araw sa Asia, sa inyo yata, sa Amerika, gabi. Tama ba? So, kung dito sa Japan, 5-6 a.m. na, talaga? 1-6 p.m. Okay. So, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1. 9 hours ang ang pagitan. 8 hours pala sa amin dito sa Japan, diyan sa sa Amerika, no? Pero depende rin sa lugar sa Amerika, 'di ba? Iba-iba rin pag sa New York, alam ko iba yung time zone noon sa sa LA, 'di ba? O sa California, 'di ba? Yung tipong ganun. Kasi kami yung namin, yung mga tiyahin ko, mga mga kamag-anak ko. Nasa sila sa California rin, San Diego, nasa San Diego sila. Yung iba nasa Sweetwood, California naman, Sweetwood.
Purple ang Oh, there you go. Now, we got into a little bit, parang medyo na-mention din yung parang kapag ka nagpa-panic or kapag ka medyo chaotic, and we have Tin as the anchor. But I
Pacific
wonder,
time
right,
zone.
who is the most chaotic in general, right? Pagkatating sa ganon. Or sino na lang yung cooling force din? Sino yung usual na cooling force, na designated? Cooling force, kapag ka lahat parang nasa-stress na, nagpa-panic na.
I think si Ella.
Pag nagpapanik.
Si Ella.
Parang kapag ka, let's say, the team is like, oh no, ano nangyayari? So, Ella, apparently that's you.
I think it's I was gonna say Lay.
Oh, really?
Nagturuan na.
Aiden, Ella and Lay.
Okay, Ella and Lay.
Actually, like, not everyone's always 100%.
That's
syempre. There are
true.
times that we gotta salo each other. So, ayun, like, yeah, so it really varies po. And, you know, that's how we work. That's the synergy we have.
Oh, depende na lang sa oras. Kapag
Yes,
meron isang
tama
medyo like parang medyo matamlay na parang oh no, sige magaganito tayo. Tapos yung isa, hindi! Let's do this! Let's go! Let's get the show on the road!
Graveyard shift.
Not the graveyard shift. Now let's talk a little bit more about your musical identity. We have to now. As you guys have mentioned, Tabi and Pula, they are both completely different. Well, not completely, but they are different sonically. One is very strong. One comes a little bit more vibey, kind of like more smooth ang ano niya. But both have very powerful messages. So I wonder, is there a genre, a sound, or maybe a message na hindi nyo pa natatry, na gusto nyong itry in the future? Na parang gusto kong mag-Brazilian funk tayo. Yung parang ganon.
Actually po,
Brazilian dance talaga yun.
focus po kami sa R&B and hip-hop.
Mm.
But soon, maybe, I'd love to see Sonara try a heels concept. Yeah, because I think that's something we haven't experienced yet. And yun talaga, feeling ko mas... Soon na. Basta, matagal pa siya. Pero ngayon, mas magpo-focus na po kami sa R&B and hip-hop.
Very R&B.
R&B talaga.
Well, surely, super excited po kami makatry pa po ng ibang genre. Since hindi rin naman po kami sa training, hindi po kami box sa isang genre lang.
Nag-evolve pa po kami.
Wow! Wow!
Power Ranger.
Sakto, may kanya-kanyang kulay na kayo. Pwede na kayo mag-transform. Now, out of all of the songs that you guys have made, if there is one track, let's say for example, may isang, I don't know, baka may isang alien nang galing sa ibang bansa pagdating dito. Okay, so there's this group called Sonara, right? Tapos, they can only listen to one song para mag-gets niya yung identity nyo. If there's this one song that really represents basically what
Papa Jem, good night na ako. It's 11:20 PM na dito sa Mars. Take care everyone. Yun, thank you Jennifer, Dizon. Sige, Oyasumi, pahinga ka na. Sweet dreams. Thank you very much talaga. Yun, good night sa'yo.
what song best represents Sonara at the moment? Anong ipapa-ano nyo sa alien na yun? What song would you make that alien listen to?
Ako po, kung sa Alien, dapat marinig niya yung Tabi. Kasi introduction song namin siya. So, kailangan yun yung
Okay.
una niyang marinig. And then after, Pula dapat.
Ah,
So, magkasama po siya.
So,
After
parang
ng
two in
Tabi,
one.
Pula.
Tama.
Pula agad. Ganun.
dapat 2 and 1.
Hindi pwedeng isa
Yes.
lang.
Dapat dalawa.
Dapat gets niya yung story.
Yes.
Chapter 1, chapter 2,
Yes.
and so on and so forth.
Tama. When you watch a movie, you don't stop at like the first part. You gotta
Yeah.
continue on to the next. Ay, bahala ka. You're going to continue listening to this. Go, proceed.
Kasi syempre po, ang layo pa ng pinanggalingan niya, tapos isa lang yung
Tapos,
papakinggan.
sayang naman. Sayang naman yung I love that you guys are like very leaning into the whole alien story that I crafted. Ito ko lang na ano yun eh. Now, okay, we gotta move on. Oh my gosh, sorry. Natawa ako talaga dun sa alien na nangyayari naman. Okay, we also want to get to know you guys beyond the stage. Now, you guys recently had your Pula Pit Stop. So I'm wondering, was there any memorable moment that you guys had during the launch? Maybe any memorable moment during practice, o kaya maybe a memorable moment na nakita niyo yung mga fans, or anything really. And feel free to answer more than once, actually. Go.
Memorable.
Yeah.
Memorable po siguro yung pag-iisip po namin na paano po kaya namin siya mabibigay as like a new experience ulit. Kasi yung iba po naming lineup for the songs is na-perform na po namin siya outside Pull-Up Pit Stop. So, paano kaya natin girls bibigyan sila ng bagong experience pero still performing the same song? So, yun po siguro yung challenge while preparing for Pull-Up Pit Stops.
Saka ang hirap din kasi talaga, no, pag yung sobrang onti pa lang ng ano nyo, ng yung kanta nila, sobrang onti pa. Dalawa pa lang eh. Kaya di ba, ano talaga eh, laspag talaga sa kanila yung ano eh, yung Ikigai, di ba, yung dance ano nila nung K-pop something, ano na yun, na hindi ko ganong kilala yung artist, di ba? Ang hirap din talaga, ang hirap din. Eh, hindi naman pwedeng hindi sila magpe-perform sa mga ganap nila, di ba? Kaya ako sobrang ano rin ako eh, excited na rin ako na maglabas na sila ng kahit EP lang talaga, kahit EP lang sana. Maglabas na sila ng EP kasi nakakadalawa na sila eh, di ba? Kasi ang EP hanggang ano lang yan eh, hanggang 5, 6 na kanta ganun. Todo na yung 6. 6 pag 7 kasi mga album na yung pag 7 eh. EP pwede na yung EP siguro kahit 4 pwede na yun, 4, 5 kanta EP yun. Kahit maglabas sila ng EP para hindi na sila mahirapan sa sa mga performance nila, 'di ba, ng live kasi dalawa pa lang yung kanta nila eh.
And I also want to add, yung pinaka-memorable po sa lahat ng yun is yung mas nakabahan po namin yung fans namin. Opo. Kaya kahit po, grabe po yung ulan last time sa mga pit stops namin. Pero dun po talaga namin na-appreciate na, oh my gosh.
Saka di ba? Isipin nyo yun, yung nag-effort pumunta yung tao sa kanila kahit alam nilang bumabaha. Di ba grabe yung nakaraan sa Pilipinas, di ba? Grabe yung baha, men. Yung isipin mo, i-priority ka. Di ba? Pinriority sila ng mga tao na yung napanoorin sila kahit na may ganun ng dilubyong nangyayari, di ba? Kaya kailangan talaga maging thankful ka talaga dahil sobrang sobrang antindi ng ganun.
Ganito kami minamahal ngayon, kaya super
Tama.
dun po na mas nag-deepen po yung bond namin with our fans. Kaya maraming salamat po.
Agree po ako kay Ate Tin. Kasi parang nung mga recent po namin na Pull-Up Pit Stops, bumabagyo po. So parang kami
diba?
po, nakabahan rin po kami na hala baka walang pumunta. Pero paglabas po namin sobrang dami. So parang sobrang na-touch po talaga kami kasi pwede naman po silang magpahinga na lang.
Right.
Pero pumunta pa rin po sila para sa amin.
Hindi ko lang din alam kasi hindi ako ganong updated to mga nakaraan, di ba? Kung may mga upload ba ng fancam ng mga ganun nila. Yung mga Pull-Up Pit Stop nila na yan. Hindi ko kasi alam kung meron na fancam.
Para sa atin! Kaya sobrang grateful po talaga kami sa mga ganong moments.
Actually, nung last Pull-Up Pit Stop po namin, parang hineads up na po kami na, girls, baka makancel yung stop natin for today.
Oh my gosh, it got to that point.
Yeah,
No.
so parang, guys, lalabas pa rin tayo and we'll say hi to the people who came, and then natuloy pa rin po siya and nagulat nga po kami, ang daming pong pumunta.
Actually, hindi lang po isang beses eh. Parang yung bulso din po namin, yung performance namin, hindi po siya natuloy.
Oh.
Pero parang ayaw po namin na hindi po makita yung fans, pero nag-perform pa rin po kami. Parang pinilit po talaga namin
okay.
na makapag-perform.
Grabe, no?
So, sobrang grateful po talaga namin sa mga fans.
Siyempre nga naman kasi para nakakahiya naman talaga sa mga fans yun, di ba? Na lumusong sa baha, yung mga yan, di ba? Bumabagyo, di ba? Tapos ika-cancel mo, di ba? Parang yung nangyari sa school, di ba? Yung nag-perform sila sa school noon. Natandaan nyo ba yun sa... Hindi ko alam kung Bulacan ba rin o sa Pampanga, di ba? Nag-perform pa rin sila kahit na doon lang sa labas ng campus yata, di ba? Yung tipong ganun.
Na grabe po yung tiwala sa amin. Kasi kami rin po, naging fan din po kami.
Tama.
Pero sa ngayon po na sa perspective po ng as an artist, tapos minamahal ka po ng fans, grabe po yung tiwala
Tama.
talaga na binibigay nila sa amin kahit hindi nila kami kilala. Pero yung parang pinagkakatiwalaan nila kami kasi ito yung nakikita nila, ito yung art na pinapakita namin. So parang kaya mas lalo kaming napupush po every time na mas galingan pa and mas magpakita pa ng mas maraming art for them.
Yes po, actually, it's the people that make it memorable. Like, yes po, we prep and we do our best and we cultivate different ways to present ourselves. But when it comes down to it po, it's a feeling. Like, for me, memory, it's like a feeling. It's not just like the pictures that I see in my head. It's so much more than that. It's indescribable. Like you would have to be there to like feel it, and we're so grateful that, like Atira said, the fans are just so amazing. Like they've made this journey for us so like so unforgettable. So because I feel like I've been using memorable so much, but there's no other words for it, because when you're on stage but you can still feel connected to the people watching you, it's a different feeling than just performing to perform. But it's like we're performing for you guys. Like it feels so good, and we're so grateful that we have such a platform to be able to make people like feel something connected to us, and we hope that we can keep doing that moving forward. And we're so blessed to be here, and it's all thanks to like our team and our coaches and our staff and our fans. Like we're so like the position we're in right now, it's so incredible. We never would have imagined it, but living it is like, oh my gosh, I'm getting chills. Like,
Well, sa akin lang, no, sana hindi rin sila baguhin ng panahon, no. Sana kahit sumikat na sila ng sumikat, wag silang magbago. Parang SB19.
Pwede pong mag-add.
Go!
Naalala ko lang po kasi parang, of course, yung definition po ng success sa mga tao, iba-iba naman po tayo.
Tama.
Totoo, yeah.
Pero, sa akin po kasi, may time po sa pit stop po namin na marami pong binibigay na letters po sa amin yung fans. And lahat po talaga yung binabasa ko. And then, nakabasa po ako na nagte-thank you po siya sa amin kasi parang na-save daw po namin yung life niya through listening lang po sa songs namin, and habang pinapanood po kami sa stage, and then parang na-inspire po siya na bumalik ulit sa dancing. And po, sobrang natuwa po talaga ako nun. Parang naluluha po ako nung binabasa ko yung letter. Sabi ko kasi gusto ko maging artist para makatouch ng mga tao. And then habang binabasa ko po yun, sabi ko, wow, parang grabe yung kung nasan na kami ngayon, and grabe na yung mga natatouch namin, pero bago pa lang kami. So parang for me, kahit malayo pa, pero
Tama.
malayo na. And yun, parang
What more kaya kung talagang grabe na yung sikat nila, di ba? Talagang ngayon pa lang ganyan na, may humahanga na silang ganyan, no? At saka talagang meron na silang, nagsisave na sila ng buhay nang dahil sa music nila. Yun yung maganda doon, di ba? Sobrang, kaya ako talaga I'm rooting for this group talaga, na sa akin sobrang aalagwa tong Sonara talaga para sa akin. Sisikat to ng matindi.
parang kahit paunti-unti, parang nandun na rin yung success for me. Pero malayo pa, marami pang
Tama.
pwedeng mangyari. Pero
Tama.
sana mas marami pa kaming matouch na mga tao.
And I'm pretty sure that's going to, I don't know, increase from here on. I mean, hello, ngayon pa lang nga eh. Again, if you guys haven't seen the photos from the Pula Pit Stop, as in, ang dami nang pumunta. Ang dami
Tama.
nang pumunta. And, you know, it's really cool that it's like a lot of you guys just would boil it all down to the fans. You know, parang yung pagmamahal nyo sa fans, if you will. And I think the reason why they keep coming back is because you guys have that shared dedication na din eh. So parang it's like a two-way thing, you know? Now, we also have to talk about, again, Pula, which you guys also performed, the Pula Pit Stop, I believe. You guys did a live performance. I wonder, do you have a favorite line from the song, or like which part did you guys like enjoy performing the most?
Personally, my favorite part would be Yurga Swartz pre-chorus. Shining up in the zone, oh, little girls get out. It gives me the, it's strong, but it also gives vulnerability, and it allows me to perform in my, putting my heart out before the chorus again for like the nostalgic feeling. So I really enjoyed performing that part and listening to that as well.
Ako po, personally po, yung di maaapula. Kasi, feeling ko kahit ano pang, po sa amin na challenges, yung fire po sa heart namin, hindi maaapula ng kahit ano.
Alam niyo kamo ako, cute na cute kamo kay Nami. Cute na cute ako sa kanya. Kasi meron siyang dito, yung, parang siyang pusa, yung may siya dito. Saka siya, kung nanonood kayo ng One Piece, yung anime, literal nakamukha niya si Nami. Yung mukha para talaga siyang si Nami. Parang hindi ko alam kung talagang ipinangalan sa kanya yung Nami dahil kahawig niya si Nami sa One Piece. Parang ganun kasi nakikita ko sa kanya.
we again do play pula a lot here, but since you're here, sulitin na rin natin. Could you give us a little snippet? You know, kind of like a live rendition. Okay, let's go. Go. They're ready. They're ready. Alrighty, whenever you're ready, girls.
In the girls will be red now. Every step becomes a red town. Kita mo sa aming aura. Pula, pula, pula. Pula, pula, pula. Pula, pula, pula. Pula, pula, pula. Hands down. Pedal to the metal, yeah, we red.
Hey.
Driving to the top, we butter. Pull up, pull up, pull up. Pull up, pull up, pull up. Pull up, pull up, pull up. Pull up, pull up, pull up.
Wow!
Live harmonies, y'all.
Grabe naman yung harmony nila. Saka yung ender ni Doming doon, no? Ni Dominic. Grabe. Ay, Sally Di Castro, welcome sa ating stream. Malapit na tayo matapos. Na late ka yata ng pasok sa ating stream. Well, syempre, hindi mo rin naman alam, no? Dahil unexpected kasi na ibabalik ko tong channel na to dahil, di ba? Dahil alam nyo na, di ba, na nagpaalam na ako dito sa channel na to. Pero binalik ko na po ngayon kasi rewind mo na lang mamaya. Na-explain ko na dito yung kung bakit ko binalik na itong music reaction natin dito sa channel na to.
Y'all with live
Sorry.
harmonies. Exactly. We love it. We love talent in the booth. Now, unfortunately, you guys, it is almost time for us to let you go. I fear I kept you guys in here a little too long, but we got a couple more questions, just a little bit. Now, before we let you go, this is, again, officially your first comeback, I believe, since Stabby. Looking back from your debut, like, ano siguro yung pinaka, how do I say this?
Okay,
What
Sally.
area do you guys feel
May
na
trabaho
parang
pala.
nag-grow talaga kayo as a group, as sisters, as people? Siguro yung growth point nyo ever since. I know it's just been 3 months, but is there something that you feel like talagang, nag-evolve ako, nag-level up ako from who I was when I first debuted?
Para sa akin po yung pagla-let go po.
Pagla-let go!
Oo, kasi
Hello!
go.
Wait.
Kasi halimbawa po, kapag may performance po, syempre gusto nyo po perfect yung mabigay namin,
Aha.
walang pagkakamali. So, parang dati po may mga times na pag nagkakamali ako, parang hindi po ako nakakatulog after nun sa sobrang ino-overthink
Okay, Sally.
siya.
Oh dear.
Pahinga ka na.
Perfectionist. Perfectionist ka ba na, ano?
Para lahat po kami
Lahat
dito
kayo
na.
perfectionist! Ay,
Oo.
okay.
Pero yun po, nowadays po, natututo na po kaming like, let go po yun and mas bumawi pa po sa lahat ng mga gagawin pa po namin. At hindi na po namin masyadong like, kine-carry yung mga negative thoughts po. Yun po, yung growth po para sa akin.
Alright, I feel like it's the same for everyone then.
We're imperfect, guys. We're imperfect.
Oh, but I mean, that's, that's what makes people strong. That's what makes us human. And
Ano daw yun? English kasi eh. Huliman daw at magaling, nakakahabol pa din.
that's what makes us more powerful, you know? Yes, exactly. And, okay. Almost time for us to let you go. Last few questions. Is there anything that we could look forward to? Maybe in the next couple of weeks, next couple of months? Baka may gusto kayong i-spoil or baka may gusto kayong i-promo, i-push. Now's the time.
Guys, market! Let's
go!
August 31! Let's go!
August 31, Market.
August
and later
31.
po, meron performance at Technology. So, see
Woo!
you later!
Oh my gosh, you know what they say, if you guys have made it to Market,
Tapos bukas daw NBA daw yung SB19. Tama ba? 29? Sabi ni Miss Lynn GR daw 8/29, ibig sabihin August 29 yun, di ba?
you guys made it, period. Now, do you have a message for all of your fans and for all of the monsters currently tuned in?
Hello everyone. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I hope that you guys enjoyed our short interview. We're so grateful to be here. Thank you so much, Monster RX, for having us. We're so happy to be here. We love talking about our
Parang itong si Ella, parang ang expensive ng boses. Nepo baby talaga yung dating ni Ella. Mukhang yayaman din talaga 'to, no?
fans and our
English speaking eh.
music, because it's really our driving force. Like, it's really our passion, and to be given a platform to speak about our art, we're so happy, we're so grateful. Like, every time we're so excited, and yeah, we're so happy to be here. We're so happy that you guys are also here. Thank you so much for tuning in. And Nami, you wanna add?
I second the motion. Joke lang. Actually, super, super thank you po. And syempre, stream pula po. Stream pula, guys, ha?
And well, okay, we have a lot of fans here currently tuned in, but I think I could probably sum up the comments here, basically saying thank you, Sonar, for being their driving force as well. Oh, thank you guys, and thank you guys so much for taking the time to visit the Monster on our anniversary month. This is honestly very, very special.
Anniversary po! Anniversary! Saan po tayo mamaya?
Mamaya, ilabas na yung cake. Teka lang, ilalabas na natin yung cake. Eto na. But yes, thank you guys so much. It's a huge honor getting to chat with you guys. It's so much fun getting to know you guys both as singers and as people, basically. And honestly, we would hope, uunahan ko na kayo, we hope that you guys would be able to come back to the Monster sometime. Hopefully sometime we could like have you guys like, I don't know, concert series, but kayo mag-perform ng live and everything. That would be honestly amazing. So thank you, thank you, thank you. And best of luck for your remaining schedules. Please stay healthy. And yes, thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Now to all of the Monsters, once again, Monster exclusive interview with Sonara. It's been the Deep Dish with Aubrey. Just in case you missed it, well, not to worry, there is going to be a replay. Yep, there is going to be a replay uploaded on all of her socials in just a bit. Now, unfortunately, it is time to let the girlies go. They have a full day ahead of themselves, and I'm pretty sure you guys have a full day ahead of you as well. So, as with them, please stay safe. Don't worry, I will be back in just a bit. We're gonna get you guys back to the music. Once again, Sonara here on The Monster. It's been another Monster exclusive interview with yours truly. Again, if you want to check it out, the replays will be up in just a bit. We'll take you guys back to the music. Of course, we have to play you Pula. Of course, we have to play you Pula. Okay, so be sure to keep sending in your requests, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Only here on Manila's Hottest Monster, RX 93.1.